Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Meta Horizon app won't open for you. So if you're having problems that you are not able to open up the Meta Horizon app, maybe basically when you try to open it, maybe it crashes or a black screen or something else happens, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. Because actually I had the exact same problem as well, and this is how I fixed it. So firstly, I just actually exited the Meta Horizon app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So now in my settings app, then what I did in here is that I just scrolled down and then I clicked where it says general. So I clicked on general, and as you can see, you should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So in here, I just scrolled down a little bit and then I clicked on storage. Then I just swiped up in here until I can see the search bar up top. I search for Meta Horizon here and just click on the app. Now just click on upload app and once again click on upload app in here and then click on the blue button here once again and just simply now wait for your Meta Horizon app to completely update to its latest version. Because by doing this, you're going to force the app to completely update to the absolute latest version that they have. I did this myself. As you can see, it says loading now on my app here, which is perfect. So just wait for it to completely update, and then when it's done, go back into the app and hopefully now it's working for you as well.